I don't know if this is some good news for you guys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. You have people that have died in your family of cancer. Some people have not survived with cancer in the family, and some people have. I've had, like I say, I've had cancer myself, but some people laugh about it. Some trolls take the piss out of me, and that's because they're sad and only pathetic bullies that they've got better else to do in their life. You shouldn't laugh at somebody with an illness or take some piss out of somebody with disability. But anyway, new cancer vaccine trials produced, rallying. Hopefully, if this works, then people will not have cancer. Basically, this cancer thing will be injected into somebody, and before it starts building up, it should hopefully kill the cancer. So we're going to be looking at this video, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think? Do you agree with it? You think this is good news? Let's have a look.
How's your jaw doing, Brian, after the surgery?
Yeah, it's all right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's almost exactly a year ago that Brian Wright had his lower jaw replaced with bone taken from his leg. Surgery needed because he had a tumour in his mouth. He's recovered well, but head and neck cancer has a high chance of returning, so he's part of a trial to test a vaccine made from his own tumour. A personal jab that should put his immune system on watch for the first sign of a relapse. He wasn't sure at first.
Things like you've had cancer in your throat, like not filling up, and they're going to inject me again with that cancer. It just sounds, oh no, you're not. But when you talk to people who next to explain, it won't give you cancer back, it'll stop it coming.
To make the
That's a good
vaccine,
thing,
cancer
right?
cells are
Cancer
first
to stop
removed from an individual patient. DNA mutations unique to the tumour are identified and then cut and pasted into a harmless virus. When the virus is injected into the body, it trains the immune system to target cancer cells, hopefully destroying them before they even form a lump.
If we can train the immune system,
save more lives doing that.
Cancer cells that would otherwise lead to a relapse at a time when we can't even see them, then the chances of long-term survival for our patients is much higher. I'm quite excited about this, but I think all the data pointing in the right direction.
Early results show all 8 patients to receive the vaccine so far have remained well after several months, but 2 of another 8 who weren't given the jab have relapsed.
The vaccine they're using here is experimental, but the technology that lies behind it proved itself during the pandemic. AstraZeneca's COVID jab was made in a very similar way. And what about the mRNA technique that lay behind the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines? Well, it's being used elsewhere with very hopeful results against pancreatic cancer.
Scientists in Oxford developed the AstraZeneca jab and are now working on a vaccine to treat prostate cancer. They're applying what they learned with COVID.
The pandemic has helped and accelerated the development of a whole range of new vaccines. We learned about their safety in billions of people, whereas previously it had been in thousands. That's very helpful safety data to have. And it means that there will be a lot more investment now in fields like cancer, where we desperately need better therapies.
Brian has a dose of his vaccine every 3 weeks, but he feels so good that right now he's off for a pint.
Well, that's some positive news, guys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't got a testicle one day, they regrow it from a stem cell. If you don't have a boob, they grow it as well. They're still in the early stages, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, this will save people's lives. People won't lose a breast, people won't lose a ball or a testicle. And that a lot more people will be happy. They can be a lot more aware of finding the cancer at the same time. So anyway, guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, if I let you know about this, some of you may be interested in this. Some of you may say this video is going in the right direction, which it is. And some of you may not know yet. But anyway, who knows what the truth can hold in the future. They did all the things with the other vaccines, but hopefully this one will be the winner. So fingers crossed, as they say, it may work. But anyway, guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, I better go. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.